guys, today we are going to make an American pancake. So here are the ingredients. The first ingredient is 1 1/4 mugs of flour. The second ingredient is 1 soapspoon of sugar. The third ingredient is 3 tablespoons of baking powder. The fourth ingredient is 2 light beans eggs. The fifth ingredient is 1 mug. The sixth ingredient is 2 soapspoons of melted butter. The last ingredient is a pinch of salt.
Mix in a container flour, sugar, baking powder and salt. In another bowl, mix eggs, milk and butter. Add liquids to dry without mixing excessively. Heat and grease the frying pan with oil. Place the dough in the center about 1/4 cup per pancake.